Are you ready for our surprise staycation?
Yeah, we would be doing this today.
Not I. I can't believe that that's freaking Volcano Bay right there. I've been on that side.
Yeah, right there.
We're checked into Cabana Bay for a last minute staycation and we're about to find our room. They had a great deal on Volcano Bay view rooms, so here we are. We've never been before. I love it so far, it's so cute. All right, go for it, I'm ready.
Good job.
Whoa, it's so cute. Really like the color scheming in here. This is a lot of space.
Yeah.
Oh, there's an all off switch. Whoa. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Wow. Volcano Bay is closed right now, so we can't go over there, but it's so beautiful to look at. What the heck? Hello and welcome to our room tour of Cabana Bay. We are staying in a Volcano Bay suite.
Bay View room.
Volcano.
Just try again. We're staying in a Volcano Bay View. Hello and welcome to our room tour. We're staying in a Volcano Bay View room.
Yeah.
Here at Cabana Bay.
I'm so excited. We've never stayed at any Universal resort before. We've never even visited the hotels. Like, I love it. So we just finished unpacking and we can't wait to have you take a look around.
Welcome to our crib. Your luggage, stick your empty suitcases right here.
Tons. We're only staying for one night, so we only brought a backpack and one tiny suitcase, but lots of
Closet, little luggage caddy, a safe, ironing board, iron, all that good stuff.
Yeah, Mike's a big fan of the safes. And here's a little bit, just your typical hotel stuff.
Hotel closet.
Hotel closet.
And then right to the right of your entryway, you got your bathroom. One sink, one toilet, one shower. Not anything to write home about. It's not a tub shower either, it's just a shower.
Just a shower.
So I hope you're not looking for that relaxing tub experience, and if you are, try a different room.
I didn't even take a look yet at the
Amenities.
amenities.
I think they're just generic.
Oh yeah. I wonder if they smell good, like
Yes.
cute. I do like that it's still on theme. Ooh. I like the little shelves for storage, that's nice. Lots of space.
Lots of space. Lots of space to do all the things that you need to do.
Yeah. Here is the sink.
Curling iron not included.
That's true. That's mine, but the hairdryer's included.
Hairdryer's included. That's nice.
And there's drawers, which is like unheard of in hotels, I feel like. That's super handy.
Nice deep sink too, so you'll have no problem rinsing out a mug or anything like that. Doing any mug maintenance.
And a really fun shaped mirror. Hello.
That is pretty fun.
Yeah, I love it. I very much love the theming of this room.
And then of course, you've got the nice bedroom. 2 queen beds.
Very nice. So far we've sat on this bed and it's very soft. I think it'll be very comfortable for the night. Beautiful art.
And then of
Then
course,
lots more storage here for more suitcases or adjoining room.
Storage. You can stick all the things. You got a nice mini fridge down here.
Beautiful.
Drawers for all your things.
Is there a freezer in that mini fridge?
I don't believe so.
Just
It's just a fridge.
Just a fridge. I did put water bottles in there, but I didn't take a look. Yeah, just a little fridge.
But you could easily fit 6 or 8 sodas or beers or whatever you're having.
Little coffee maker.
Little coffee maker and accoutrement.
All our stuff. And a nice little sitting area.
Cool little bucket chairs.
Beautiful. But then
And
we can take a look over here. Wow. I
Yeah.
love it.
It's Volcano Bay.
That is so cool.
And while Volcano Bay is currently closed for seasonal maintenance, it'll be open soon. Sometime in March, I think.
So cool to look at. Really, let me show you. When you see it from the view from like all the way over here, it's pretty cool because, I don't know, like it's just this whole floor to ceiling view. And I think it's going to be so pretty at night. Just absolutely gorgeous. We got this room for steal. It was $84 for pass holders tonight. So yeah, when we checked in, we were able to check in pretty early. Check-in's at 4 and we checked in around 1 o'clock. So very early. There's not that many people here. I think that's why it's such a good deal tonight.
It is the end of January when we're filming this.
And it's a Wednesday, so.
Kind of a midweek
yeah,
thing.
I could see that. So just a short little room tour. We are planning on hitting up the pool and the lazy river because those are open. The hot tub's closed right now for social distancing. We got 2 refillable sodas for our stay while we're here. We drink a lot of soda, but here's the real fun kicker part. I did not know this. You can get ices with this. So we already got frozen Coke and
As much as you want. And they're $10 for a single day. I think it's like $15 for 3 days.
yeah.
Or like $18.50 for the length of your stay here at Cabana Bay.
Hoping to drink like at least 3 more frozen Cokes tonight.
And it includes all of the beverages that are available at the Bayside Diner, which is their
Bayliner
Diner.
Yeah.
Which is their restaurant here, their like cafeteria style restaurant.
I'll have to insert some pictures because we did have lunch there already. We were just starving, so we didn't film any of it.
Yeah, there's coffee, hot cocoa, Coke freestyle machines, and yeah, you can just kind of mix and match whatever you're feeling. And the ices are a great little touch on top.
So fun. For lunch, I had a Mediterranean flatbread. It was covered in artichokes and arugula and cheese and tomatoes and balsamic drizzle, and it was like very good. And then Mike had
Brazilian churrasco.
Yeah, and his was super good. I would 100% get his again because I
Very
tried some of
tasty.
his, of course.
I would recommend
So
the
good.
Bayliner Diner.
Such a cute place, and the theming, I'm so happy. So we're gonna go check out the rest of the resort. Thank you so much for watching our room tour.
Have a nice day.
We unpacked, we settled in, we showered up, and now we are heading over to the pool. I'm so excited.
She just can't hide it.
The hot tub is closed for social distancing right now. Or more accurately, it's closed because they can't properly social distance in it. But it looks really nice. Wow, I can't believe we're actually here.
It's the new touchless.
It's a touchless.
So instead of touching a button, you just put your finger in between.
Okay, call me flabbergasted because that is so cool.
It is pretty cool.
Wow. So normally people can just split you. There's fire pits. That is so cool. We changed again. We went to the pool and had a great time, and now we're walking over to the bus station so we can go to City Walk for dinner. But we came across a beautiful sunset. You guys know how I feel about sunsets. And we went and took some pictures right by this super cute sign.
Cabana Bay.
That's pretty magical. We got our photos and now we're gonna go have a great evening at City Walk. That is, I think we're in a bus spot. I don't know, we're just trying to figure out this resort. But so far we really like it. And now we're gonna go find some dinner. Chocolate bread, chocolate martini, chocolate beer.
We're going chocolatey at Tucson.
But we have no silverware, so we can't cut the bread yet. But that is chocolate bread with salted caramel butter, and I'm excited. We're going big tonight.
Have a chocolate plate.
Ah!
From Bowl Shift.
Oh. But we are running out of room already, so we'll see how this goes. We got truffle fries, kettle chip nachos, which has, I think it was sausage and pork and queso and peppers. I got avocado bruschetta, which has fried avocado, avocado cream, and some other goodies on it. And then we got tachos, which is tater tots, crispy pork belly, and I think another queso cheddar cheese sauce. And it looks amazing.
It's gonna be great.
It looks so good. Let's eat. This is the avocado bruschetta, which has fried avocado and like basically guacamole, but it looks very intense. That's basically really just avocado or guacamole.
It's an avocado toast.
The fried avocado is really good though. I wish we liked avocado because this is very good, but that just really means more for me. And the balsamic's really nice too. Even if it's a little messy to eat.
Okay.
We finished dinner and everything was amazing. The bruschetta was like 10 out of 10. The kettle chip nachos were like 9 out of 10 for me. And then the tater tot nachos were very good, but they just kind of got a little soggy. And the truffle fries we actually weren't huge fans of. Thank you. Wow.
Enjoy.
Thank you. And we just got our dessert. Holy cow.
Oh boy.
I think I'm gonna need a picture with that. That's a good looking thing. I was gonna say the truffle fries we actually didn't like very much. We actually left quite a bit of those left. And this is what we left over of the tachos. They just got soggy. Ah, the bottom is really kind of messy.
Well, the top looks kind of messy too.
It's all kind of messy, but we're gonna try to take some bites out of this. Messy but very good.
Now you look kind of messy.
There's just no elegant way to like eat a s'more, especially this size. Like, I can literally feel it on my nose. That's so cool.
Yeah. Kind of makes me want some chocolate.
I know where you can get some. We just got breakfast. We got buttermilk potatoes and bacon, French toast and bacon, and a side of breakfast potatoes, and it looks very good. Hello! And Mike just came back with coffee.